Utiliko helps you easily create an invoice, monitor the unpaid invoices, and receive payments. Invoice can be found under the Accounting section. Clicking on Invoice will bring you to a display of all the invoices you have created. There's also an option to filter the invoice view, as well as download the list as PDF or Excel file formats. To create a new invoice, simply click on the new invoice. The invoice you're creating can be a single invoice or a recurring one. To make it a recurring invoice, simply click on Recurring link and choose, for example, Monthly, and select Autopay and enter payment info for a fully automated recurring invoice. Once you're done, click on Create Invoice. At this stage, the recurring invoices are generated, payment is collected and deposited into your account without lifting a finger. Utiliko also allows you to keep track of all the payments, whether they be by cash, check, credit card, or ACH. You can also choose which bank you want to deposit payments into. Payments received under the All Payments section will display all the paid invoices. You may also record a payment by clicking on the Receive a Payment link. Another way of recording a payment is by clicking on the invoice and click on Pay Invoice, then fill out the payment details. Creating purchase orders is so easy in Utiliko. Under the Payment Orders section, Purchase Order will display all the purchase orders you've saved. To create a new purchase order, click on Create Purchase Order link, fill out the details, and then click on Create Purchase Order. Purchase orders can be emailed directly to your vendor from here seamlessly. Utiliko simplified accounting so it can be used even by non-accountants. Chart of Accounts section will display a list of all of the charts of accounts you have saved in Utiliko. To create a new chart of account, simply click on New Chart of Account link, fill out the details, and then click on Create Chart of Account link. Items section will display all the list of items you've saved. To create a new item, simply click on New Item link, fill out the details, and click on Create Item. Items are used in purchase orders, estimates, and invoices to make sure your life is easier. Keeping track of your business cash flow is so simple with Utiliko. You can easily monitor how much money you've spent and how much you have. The Bank and Cash section under Manage Accounts section offers an overview of the financial situation. In Manage Accounts, you can easily see the account name, description, and balance. If you wish to add another account, simply click on Add New Account. You would then have to fill out the account name, description, and then put the initial balance, then click on Create an Account. You can add as many accounts as you have. Managing transactions is one of the features in Utiliko that is designed to help you keep track of your earnings and expenses. Transactions is divided into 3 subsections: Pay Bills, Write Checks, and Transaction Report. Tired of guessing which bills are paid and which are not? End it now with Utiliko. Clicking on Pay Bills brings you to the bills list. It is a list of the bills you've saved, including the check or bill number, vendor name, memo, due date, and amount. To create a new entry, simply click on the Pay Bill link, fill out the details, and click on Pay Bill. Utiliko helps you keep track of the checks you write. Clicking on Write Checks brings you to a display of the checklist. This is a list of the checks you've saved. It displays the check number, payee name, amount, due date, and memo. To create a new check, simply click on the Create Check link, fill out the details, and click on Create Check. Transaction Report gives you a display of the transactions you've saved, including the date, account, type, either income or expense, credit, debit, balance, and note. Think of it as your bank statement.